It's officially Memorial Day weekend. Are you prepared to travel with your pet? You ready to go? You know the videos, the calm music, the beautiful mountain view. A couple sipping coffee in bed while their dog peacefully gazes out the van doors at sunrise. Yeah, that's staged. That perfect 30-second clip, it took 20 retakes. RV travel with dogs is chaos. Period. Understand it, accept it, and honestly, you'll enjoy it way more. For us, traveling with our dog Mace has pushed us way outside of our comfort zone in the best way possible. We're not naturally super social people, but Mace, absolute social butterfly. People stop to pet him, ask what breed he is, and suddenly we're standing in a campground having conversations with complete strangers who have now become our friends. And then there's hiking. We love exploring nature trails, state parks, and all of the mountains across New England. And seeing Mace experience the new sights, smells, streams, trails, it brings us so much joy. The pure happiness that dogs have when they discover something new, it's contagious. The van feels more like home when he is with us. He sleeps better, we sleep better, and no matter where we go, he's just wanting to be with his people. So to help make your RV travels easier, less stressful, and a lot more fun, here are our top 10 must-haves when traveling with your dog in a Class B RV. Number 10, safety first. If your dog is crate trained, bring the crate. If you prefer a seatbelt harness, bring that. Your dog's safety while traveling matters just as much as yours. And don't forget your first aid kit specialized for pet care. Something as simple as a bee sting on the road can turn into a stressful emergency fast. Keeping basics like Benadryl, gauze, tick removers, and antiseptic spray on hand can save you a very expensive out-of-town vet visit. 9. Tie-outs, portable fences, or GPS collars. Most campgrounds require physical control of your dog at all times. That could mean a leash, a tie-out, or a portable fence. At the end of the day, respect the campground rules and those around you. Number 8, vet records. This one surprises people. We carry both a digital vaccination record and paper copies because some parks actually ask to see the physical paperwork and won't accept digital verification. Having both has saved us headaches when checking in. 7, poop bags. Responsible dog ownership means even more in campgrounds because we all share the same spaces. Our favorite bags are these Clean Earth bags because they're thick. Thick enough that, well, nothing comes through. Nothing's on your hands, and they do a fairly good job containing the smells when we're out on the road. 6, treats, or frozen treats. Treats are a mandatory RV staple. Okay. Rewards for good behavior, distractions during stressful moments, or just a snack after a long hike in the sun. Travel days are exciting and overstimulating for dogs, so having high-value treats makes a huge difference. And honestly, camping treats just hit different. The same way s'mores taste better by a campfire, your dog deserves the good stuff too. 5, a good towel. Rain, mud, lakes, puddles. Dogs love all of it. Even Mace, who refuses to swim, still manages to find water everywhere. Come here. Thank you. And it sounds adorable until muddy paw prints cover your entire van. Keep a dedicated towel in the RV at all times. One by the door is a game changer. Dry your dog's paws before they enter, and your future self will thank you. 4, a leash and a harness. A good harness and leash setup can completely change your travel experience. Every dog is different. Some dogs pull and some zig and zag. Some act like they've never seen another human or another dog before. You sit. Sit. Find the setup that works best for your dog's personality and your activities. For us, Mace may look small and squat, but if he sees something he wants, he can pull like a freight train. So having gear we trust makes hikes and campground walks way more enjoyable. 3, food. When you're packing your own food, don't forget your dogs either. It's always a good idea to store their kibble in an airtight container. RVs and campers aren't as dry or climate controlled as our homes, and moisture can spoil dry food surprisingly fast. Always pack enough food for the trip and then a little extra. Trust me on this one, there have been plenty of times when Mace was halfway through his dinner and a squirrel or a bird entered the campsite and suddenly his bowl went airborne as he went after it and everything went on the ground. So bring extra servings for spills, unexpected delays, or extended stays. 2, chew toys or stuffies. Travel can be overwhelming for dogs. New smells, new sounds, new people. New campsites every few days. That's a lot for them to process. We've found that keeping a few of Mace's favorite toys and chew bones in the van help tremendously. The cool part, he only gets these when he's in the van, when we're traveling. You'll find they stay more interested in them, and chewing or playing can help reduce anxiety and stress during travel. Number 1, bedding. A comfortable place to rest makes a huge difference for your dog on the road. We absolutely love elevated portable dog beds, especially because they work both inside and outside of the van. Our favorite is this Coolaroo elevated dog bed. They come in a bunch of different sizes to suit your dog's style of sleep and their size. During the day, Mace lounges on it outside, and then at night, we add a foam topper and a quilted cover to make it extra comfortable inside the van for bedtime. He loves this bed. We love it too, because it's easy to clean, it's lightweight, it folds up quickly, and it travels easily. It's one of the best dual-purpose dog items we've ever brought along. And honestly, the most important thing to consider when traveling with your pet is you. You are their best friend. You are the one that they want to be with. Traveling with pets can become one of the most rewarding experiences if you approach it with patience and preparation. Take them with you. Let them experience this life beside you, and I promise you, it makes the journey a little sweeter. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more RV life tips and tricks, and let us know in the comments what's your dog's must-have travel item. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Nope, sit, nope, nope. Thank you for that. You did a good job.